CQT Computer Quick Tips, Episode 21, Defragmentation. Hello everyone and welcome to this edition of CQT Computer Quick Tips. And today we're going to be talking about defragmenting your hard drive. Now, a lot of people, when they have their computers run for a long time, they notice that it gets slower. It doesn't boot up as fast. When you click on an icon to bring up a program, it slows down. And you may have cleaned out the cookies, cleaned out the temporary internet files, um, cleaned out your registry, and disabled things that automatically run in the background when you boot up, and still your computer runs slowly. A lot of people forget about defragmenting your hard drive. And defragmentation, what this is, on your hard drive after it's run for a particularly long period of times, pieces of programs on your hard drive can become fragmented and spread across the drive. And then it takes the computer longer to access these fragments on your drive because it has to look over the whole drive. But what you can do, there's a program on Windows, Defragmentation, and you can run that and it will put the pieces back together and it'll make it quicker to access these programs on your drive. Now, the way you get to the defragmentation program is click on the start button, and in past versions of Windows, the defragmentation program has been in the accessories folder, system tools, and then the defragment icon. In Windows 10, it's in a different place, and the easiest way to find it is just go to the search here and type in defragment. And you'll see it up at the top here. It says defragment and optimize drive. Now, I've already got it open on my system, so we'll go here and take a look at it. And these are all the hard drives on my system, and I've already run the analysis. First thing you want to do is analyze your drives, and you can click on each one and analyze drives, and I'll tell you how much of a defragmentation there is. On my main C drive, there's only 7%, so I wouldn't really need to defragment that right now. If it gets up to 25 to 30%, I'd go ahead and defrag that just to make things run smoother and faster. But right now, 7%, that's pretty good, and you wouldn't get much better performance if you did go ahead and just defragment it. So after you'd run the analysis, if it was defragmented, had a lot of fragments in there, you run the optimizer. You can also set this up to run at a specific time. Like here, my schedule is it's turned on, drives are being optimized automatically, and it's being done weekly. But you can click on the change here and go and change the settings. So I've got that set to weekly. You can do it daily, monthly. If you go to daily, it comes on at a certain time during the day. You can choose the drive that you want to defragment. You can do that monthly as well, but weekly is good. So you'd pick that option and press OK, and then you're set up. You can go by and check this periodically, because if you don't have your computer running at a set time when it's due to come on, it'll miss the defragmentation. Also, if you're going to do this manually using the optimize button, pick a time when you're not going to be using your computer, because if you start to defrag your hard drive and you use the mouse or the touchpad or the keyboard or anything, it will automatically make the defragmentation process start over from the beginning. So you don't want to be using your computer when you're having the defragmentation process running. Otherwise, it'll just keep restarting and restarting. I hope this helps everybody out. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. The link's at the bottom of the screen there. Also, check out my homepage, the Chuck Baker homepage at chuckbaker.org. Links up at the top. And if you missed last week's CQT episode, you can click on the image to the left there and it'll take you to it. And please check out my social media sites. Links there at the bottom as well. And I will see you next week for another edition of CQT. Everyone take care and bye-bye.